Hi everyone, this is the video for lesson 2.1 of the light waves unit. Our investigation question for today is all light the same? So there is a hands-on portion to this activity, which if you're at home and you're watching this video, you probably don't have the materials for, so you can just click this video here to watch it. So I would, you can continue watching this one, and then once I'm done talking, you can go back and do that to fill in this chart. Before you do get started, I want you to think, look at these different kinds of lights and think about which of these you think can cause skin cancer, right? We're talking about skin cancer. We're trying to see, learn more about it. So look at these and think about which ones do you think can cause skin cancer. So you might want to pause this right now just to think about it. Oops, sorry. So then, after you do that, you're going to watch this video to complete this chart. And then once you finish the chart, you are going to make some observations and then see if the light emitted from the flashlight A and flashlight B is the same kind of light. And then how do you know, or how do you not know? The second part of this lesson is a simulation activity. So again, if you're having trouble, there is a video here of someone going through this simulation activity. But basically what you have to do, open up the simulation in a new tab. You are going to see these different materials in different kinds of lights. So we're going to put first we're going to do it with the sun on, and then we're going to change it to the light bulb. So if I'm using the plant, if this is my first one, I want to look at it under the sun and see what happens. I can even inspect. I can click energy. I can see that. And then I'm going to change it to light bulb and see what's happening there and inspect it. Is the same thing happening? Is something different happening? And then you're going to do it with a couple other ones except aluminum, since we know that that one does not absorb energy. So repeat it with 2 to 4 more materials, and then tell me if you agree or disagree with Jonathan's claim, which is he's claiming that the light is always the same even when emitted by different light sources. So like the sun versus the light bulb. And then you tell me, do you agree or disagree with him? And then explain why. So again, what you're going to do is you're going to look at a few different materials with the light bulb on or the sun and tell me if it's the same or different. Is the sun the same as the light bulb? I can obviously tell just by looking at this that something's different. So when you inspect and you go through the different materials, you can see a little bit more why. So again, that was just a quick overview of this lesson in case you missed class or you're at home and you're confused. And then also this part here has the video of this activity. And if you're having trouble with the simulation, this does go through and explain it a little bit more. But I do want you to try it on your own first. The last part I want you to think of the investigation question, is all light the same? Look at the first activity of the hands-on and then the simulation, and you should be able to have at least a little bit of an idea of the answer to this question.